I updated my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to the latest November patch, and there was some requests from you guys to test the camera, and this is what I intend to do. Some users are claiming that the camera quality degrades Samsung updating the phones. This probably happens also to Apple iPhones and etc. So this is what we are going to test right now. Test the camera, the video, the photos, the night mode, everything from the Samsung S22 Ultra running the One UI 5 Android 13 on the latest November patches. And if you're here for the first time, you might as well want to subscribe for the channel and don't miss content like this. Let's get some things straight. I am right now in my camera settings, guys, where I will leave the scene optimizer on, alright? And then something very important, auto FPS will be switched off. That's the video recording, so I want to really just get the real FPS. And also, tracking focus is going to be on. Setting the scene here, guys, camera assistant also very important. This came as a good luck module. I will leave auto HDR on. I will remove stuff in pictures. I will also turn off the auto lens switching to just get the real 3x 10x zoom. And guys, very important, guys, I will now also disable the faster shutter because I don't want to decrease the picture quality. Now once that's out of the picture, I believe we can start our test. And the first thing we're gonna do is take some pictures with HDR on. I do believe that the conditions are very much ideal. Now let's try to also test the ultra wide camera. So I'm just going to do also an ultra wide, then a 1x, then also a 3x, then I'm gonna go for 10x, guys. Then I'm gonna go to 30x. Okay, it's locked. And now, guys, I will let you see what my test showed. This one is 0x. The next one is 1x. You can see colors are very nice. One more time you can just see 1x, and now I'm gonna go to 3x. The next picture is going to be 10x exposure and all the dynamics are nice. Now guys, you can just see 30x. Now it's time to test some video, and guys, what you will observe right now is going to be 4K 60 FPS footage. So we have some folks here playing football. I do believe this is good for the sake of the test, and I will now also leave the sky. So we're gonna have the sky, very nice blue colors. I just think this will make a great 4K 60 FPS video. And just notice when they start playing, guys, I will start moving around so that you're gonna be able to test also the stabilization. Okay, so let's start 4K 60 FPS testing. This is here the 4K 60 FPS 0.6. Nice colors. Okay, the ball here. I'm just gonna do a pan, guys, so that you can just see. Please pay attention to the colors, guys. The colors, the green is very nice as well. All right, I would say enough. And now let's jump to 4K 60 FPS on 1x. 4K 60 FPS 1x. And guys, we can now test the stabilization. Let me just try to run a bit. Okay, let's test now. Shoot to the door. Let's test how this will work out now. Okay. Woo! Amazing. All right, one more time the colors. Now HDR is very important when we shoot video. This contrast really from the bright sky, the colors, and here the pitch, and etc. And of course the ball that is moving around. Testing the front camera UHD 4K 60 FPS video, guys. I'm just shooting against the sun. I want to see that dynamic range. So now I'm turning around like this. So now I'm in front of the sun, so it should be a bit better. And you can explore the nice colors, and also of course, by the way, pay attention to the sound quality. Check the voice and let me know what you think down below in the comments. Some funny though. Testing the HDR, by the way, yeah, doesn't really work that great, but right now I think also the clouds are not that great. So this is 4K 60 FPS test on the front camera. Now it's time for some night photos. 0.6 again, 1x, nice colors by the way, 3x. Now we're gonna start with the zoom, we're gonna start with 10x, gradually going to 30x. Just pay attention, see how sharp the colors are. And now guys, I'm gonna also go to 100x so that you can just see really what the S22 Ultra Zoom is capable to do even in the night. Time for some portrait photos. The left picture is shot with the back camera and the right picture is shot for the front camera. I think this is quite obvious. Now pay attention guys, I have a kid and a balloon moving, some night photos, very nice colors and etc. Here the left picture is without the night side, the right picture is with the night side exposure. The same example here, pay attention, the left picture is dark and the right picture is really with 5 to 6 seconds of exposure. Same here, beautiful colors. Those are my two favorite pictures from the night, so please enjoy. Now it's about time to test the 4K 60 FPS night video. Alright guys, let's see. With all that seen, all the day pictures, the night pictures, the photos and the videos, I don't believe that Samsung somehow made the quality of the camera worse. Even if something changed, it changed for the better. Now with the camera assistant, with everything that you were able to see guys, I think we're on the right path. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to get all the photo samples and the video samples, you can also become a member of the channel. With that said, VST over and bye.